So this will be a quick lesson for AI game. And hopefully you've got your player moving and your enemy moving and starting to populate your world here. I rescaled my ground to 4 and 4 for the X and the Z. No need to scale it in the Y, of course, because that's just the depth. And of course, I kept going back and rebaking my surface after I do that. But I came in and I added a nav mesh modifier. So that was game object AI nav mesh. Volume. Nav mesh volume. And I then stretched it and put it here. What this does, and as we really start making a game, is it means that the player can go there but the enemy can only go so far. The enemy cannot go. So wherever you designate where you want this thing to be, the enemy will not be able to follow you there. So mine's pretty much stretched out here, but we could be putting these small little modifier volumes in certain places in our game, so the enemy is going to have to, if you get to that area, you're safe from the enemy. So again, try this, maybe put it in a couple different places. It can be as small as big as you want. And again, we're just sort of practicing with these commands and stuff, so that we're going to go get a scene pretty soon, and then we're really going to make a game by putting nav meshes in there and having maybe some actual ghouls or ghosts follow us through the game as we're moving through. So anyway, give it a try, and let me know if you have any problems.